What?
I can open it.
Well.
Yeah, then.
Extremely
Okay.
No, you
don't. No, you don't.
We're going to be painting this. It's for Dia de los Muertos. I'm sure you guys know what it is, but if you don't, it's a holiday that celebrates and honors our deceased loved ones. So that can be your family, your friends, your pets. Sorry. So today we're going to be painting a calavera inside of a coffin. So I'm going to walk you guys through all of the steps, but I think one of the fun parts about Dia de los Muertos is that you guys get to decorate and do things in colorful and patterned ways. So I brought some inspiration for you guys. So again, I'll be walking you through all of this, but I want you guys to decorate it and create your own piece with it. Alright, and then after you guys have your coffin shape, we're going to paint the entire outside of the coffin black.
Oh no. Guys, this looks like a coffin for like a little mini. We did not get any work.
I would love to have skills, but due to projects, I just can't.
What I do?
Okay, after we have that white, you can pick any color you want. I want mine to be a very light, my skull, I want it to be a very light pink, so I'm going to add just a dot of red and mix it up. So if you want it to be light blue, light green,
It has to be colorful.
yeah. So it could be very, very light gray.
Yeah, but we haven't used it.
How about I do a purple one? Oh my god.
Idea, and it turns out 5 different.
And then it's like, I don't want to do it because then it's like...
I'm using my dad's number.
I'm gonna get Mr. Peter to play my
I'm gonna ask him if he can put me next to my bookie.
No, wait, hold on. It's blue. I love the blue. The purple.
Guys, I'm moving on to the next step. Our next step is grabbing our smallest brush, and we're going back with black, and we're outlining our skull shape. So we're going to outline this whole thing, okay? They could both be circles. You guys don't have to draw exactly this. I'm just giving you examples.
Okay, I'm gonna try to do a heart and straight.
And you guys might want to look up really quickly. So for the mouth, we're just going to do a straight line, as straight as you can make it. So we're going to start like that.
I drew it the wrong way. It's fine.
Row on top. So like this.
No, my hand's shaking.
Me and Amelia were showing how big our pinkies were, and his pinky started twitching.
And then we're going to do the same thing on the bottom. So you're just going to
Me and Muna were just
mirror it. And now you should have a row of teeth.
I love that you're saying this is inspiration.
Horrible. Oh yeah. You don't know how white.
They said dental hair, and I was like,
I didn't fix the background.
Going by. Oh,
Okay, if you guys are all caught up to where I am, the this is where you can start having fun and decorating. So you can add flowers, hearts, patterns, literally anything you want. And you can use the inspo pictures I gave you. If you have any questions,
What's up?
I want to dress up as
it's okay. You don't have to do it in one straight line. You could just slowly.
Yes, I do. Okay. Guys, I have a shaky hand.
You can use. Hold on. Don't use that brush. Use this one.
No, she was lying. Okay, I don't know what to do. You say that, but you haven't heard my comment yet. It's not even drawn.
Yeah. What?
What is it? Literally a